I'm JD Schmidt with Big Tex Trailers.
And I'm Brant Combs with Ram Trucks.
In general, when towing a trailer, you want to be aware of your surroundings. Leave enough distance from you and the vehicle ahead of you. Use slower speeds. Check your tire pressure and adjust your mirrors to account for the length of the trailer. There's also some additional technologies that make trailering safer and easier.
One of the most important new technologies is forward collision warning, which is just what it sounds like. Sensors on the front of the truck that monitor the vehicle in front of you. If it slows down rapidly, forward collision warning will give the driver an audio and visual warning. On trucks like this Ram 3500, if the truck driver doesn't slow down, it will automatically apply the brakes to the truck and even the trailer.
Another technology that's making trailering safer is adaptive cruise control. This uses sensors on the front to monitor the vehicle ahead of you and maintain a safe distance.
Another major factor in towing safety is proper tire pressure. Today, with technology on trucks like this Ram 3500, you can set tire pressure targets and the system will monitor them and alert you of any changes. It can also be used when filling tires to alert you when you've reached optimal tire pressure. Technology is even available to allow you to monitor trailer tire pressure as well from within the cab.
When you're towing, you want to keep your safety and the safety of your passengers in mind, as well as the other folks on the road. And these new technologies are making it easier for you to tow with confidence.